In order to fabricate a reduction gear casing, the high-precision technology is required. That's why this part is only machined by CNC milling machines. Prior to mass production of the lot, the part fabrication process development is implemented through several stages. First of all, the design project has to be prepared. A Strel company is able to engineer parts of various complexity. This is not an exaggeration, as we have our own engineering office in Russia, as well as an access to European best experience through our partners in England, which enables us to solve complex and bigger scale problems. It's one of our principal competitive advantages. Such an approach gives us the capacity to implement orders of different complexity and suggest the best price for our customers. After 3D model and drawings are prepared, a sample part is fabricated for validation. If there are any changes required, the design project is quickly modified and then a new sample part is made. It is a pleasure for us to see how parts we fabricate are used as details of different machines and equipment. In this particular case, our reduction gear casing is installed on the boats of Sever company. This part should handle strong vibrations, so it is very important to make it accurately and precisely. Strel provides turnkey engineering services in the field of industrial equipment fabrication. We are ready to design the equipment of various complexity, as well as to get it studied up and provide future maintenance. Furthermore, we are focused on different parts and equipment units fabrication. Our second business activity is plastic parts casting by injection molding machines and rotary molding systems. The main general rule for us in every field is the highest quality and customer satisfaction.